FSBO. Do you know what a FSBO is? Do you know what DIY is? So FSBO, for sale by owner, DIY, do it yourself. So basically a FSBO is a do-it-yourself, a DIY project. You decide to do it yourself. And sometimes you're going to find out that making a FSBO, a DIY, may cost you more than you think that it's going to cost. Like any other project you do, thinking as a DIY, this is simple. I saw it on Facebook, I saw it on Instagram, I saw it on TikTok, and as the project starts, it really escalates. So recently, I had the really great privilege of meeting a young couple. They were recommended by someone I had sold a house for before. He said, why don't you call Lou and talk with her? Why? Because their house had been a FSBO. They had it listed on Zillow. They weren't getting a lot of activity. They actually were getting a little bit of traction on Zillow, but things weren't really working out for them and they were getting frustrated. They hadn't spent a lot of money to do this, of course. It was a DIY project. We're going to take some pictures, we're going to put it on Zillow, and it's going to sell. It was an adorable house in a good location. I talked them through the things that were issues for them. One of the things that's an issue when you go FSBO as a DIY, you don't know who's coming into your house. You have no idea who's going to enter your house. They're not pre-approved. They're not coming with an agent. You've got nothing about this person that's coming through the door to see your house. Second, I know you can take great pictures with your iPhone, but you cannot take the kind of pictures that a professional photographer takes, that a real estate agent hires to make your house, which is our product, look fantastic. And finally, there's no marketing strategy. You're just putting it out there. You're not sending it out like real estate agents are, making the most exposure for your house as possible. So this couple, we sold the house very quickly for a really great price, which means that they didn't lose any money. They made money that they wouldn't have made as a DIY. So if you're a FSBO in the middle of a DIY, think about calling a real estate agent.